Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I have the setup folder in my PC. Before open the setup folder, you just need to check my video description for this video link. Watch this video to avoid setup corrupted error. After watching this video, just try look on the setup folder and select cut option and then go to this PC and open the drive that has enough space and right click on the blank area and select new and select folder. Name this folder games and press enter and then go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select the manage settings and scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add and exclusion and select folder and you just need to navigate to the games folder that we created. Select the games folder and select folder option and the games folder has been added to this list. Now just to close stuff here and open the games folder and paste the setup folder we copied and then open the setup folder and double click on the install and select yes option. You just need to select this mute option to turn off the music and then select the browse option and you just need to navigate to the games folder that we created. Select the games folder and select OK option and then select the unpack option. After the installation done, select the finish option and now launch the game through the desktop shortcut. And as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem and you will never face any game related problem guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.